Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your scholarship applications with Fastweb, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Fastweb website at www.fastweb.com. Create a free account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out your profile with detailed personal information. Include your academic background, interests, and career goals. The more thorough your profile, the more tailored your scholarship matches will be. Once your profile is complete, explore the scholarship search feature. Use filters to narrow down your scholarship options based on eligibility. Recycle scholarship search results regularly to ensure. After finding scholarships that interest you, take note of their deadlines. Organize your applications by creating a checklist for each scholarship. Review the application requirements thoroughly for each scholarship. Pay attention to required documents such as essays or recommendation letters. Start writing your scholarship essays early to give yourself plenty of time for edits. Make sure your essays reflect your personality, achievements, and goals. Ask a teacher or mentor for feedback on your essay drafts. Incorporate their suggestions to strengthen your applications. Prepare your letters of recommendation well in advance. Reach out to potential recommenders early and provide them with your resume. Follow up respectfully to ensure they remember to submit your letters. Once all materials are ready, fill out the online applications carefully. Double-check all information for accuracy before hitting submit. Keep track of which scholarships you have applied for and their statuses. Follow up with scholarship providers if you haven't heard back by the decision date. Consider creating a spreadsheet or using an app to manage your applications. Explore the community features Fastweb offers for tips and advice from fellow students. Utilize the resources available on Fastweb to improve your applications further. Stay persistent and continue applying for scholarships throughout the year. Celebrate your efforts, as each application brings you closer to funding your education. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.